This is so exciting. These are my rose cuttings I took back last October. We are in the end of July and I'm starting to get a bloom. I'm so excited. So it looks like two of the ones, they look like the same color. But because I took so many cuttings, I don't even know what they are, honestly. And it looks like we are losing one right there, which is sad because we went all this time. I have 1, 2, I can't tell, about 5. Oh, okay. I'll keep you more updated when it opens a little more. I know you should probably take off the bloom, but how can you when you waited that long? And they look so good. I took these from cuttings. Can you believe it? Let's get a little closer. Look at this. Oh, it's about to bloom, my little baby. And this one is about to bloom. And some of them are looking sad, like some of that dead stuff. I have fertilized twice. Oh, I have another one. Another bud. I've fertilized twice with fish emulsion. So we did lose one over here. This one dried out. That was a marigold. And then this one, it's still holding on. Looks pretty dead though. It's still holding on. Doesn't mean it's dead all the way. So I mulched it because we've had 103 twice, and then it came back down to the 90s, and then we're getting 104 next week. But look at the green on everything, looks so good. I've got 1, 2, and then there was a third somewhere right there. What if they're all the exact same variety? I don't know. Okay, I'll keep you updated.